This is condensed milk recipe. So first you need a 14 liters or 14 quart pot. Okay, you put in 8 cups of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You don't have to be exact. 7, 8. Okay, 8 cups of sugar. So next, you need 3.5% whole milk. Okay, I got this one from Walmart. Okay, I got this pot from IKEA, and this one induction oven from IKEA also. This is 1800 watts. Okay, so you pour in the 4 liters. Okay, and after you pour in, you stir. Okay, try your best to stir. I stir with a glass rod because it doesn't introduce anything into the condensed milk, but you can use anything you like. Spatula, spoon. I just like to use this metal rod. You can use metal. I used to use metal rod, but this is glass rod. Easier to clean. Okay, you plug it in. Okay, you have to hold in the unlock. Okay, press, power on. Okay, you go boil. So this is boil. And then you go 1800. Okay. And then you start. So let me repeat. So you put in a 4 liter milk on a 14 liter pot with a convection oven at 1800 watts, and you set the timer for 1 hour. And 33 minutes. So 1 hour and 33 minutes. Okay, 1 hour, 33 minutes. And keep stirring. Okay, so now we're going to transfer into time lapse. So after 1 hour 33 minutes is done. So now you have condensed milk, but I like to call it milk syrup. So it's not exactly condensed milk because I don't put any thickener to make it like, you know, how you buy from a can. So this one is been condensed down enough so you can put inside coffee or tea. And this is how I made condensed milk for coffee and tea. So you let it cool down for 15 minutes and then you transfer it into a bottle. And if you like, what I usually do is you take all this whey away, like these proteins. So you just use a spoon, scrape it all off, so then you don't have solid inside your condensed milk syrup. Okay. That's it. See you in the next one.